iPhones can record high-quality HD and 4,000 videos, but long videos can take up a lot of storage and be tricky to send. In this video, we'll explore 7 reliable ways to send long videos from iPhone. Method 1. How to send long videos on iPhone via AirDrop. Open the Photos app, select the video, tap the share icon, and choose AirDrop. Select the device to send the video, and AirDrop will handle the transfer. Method 2. How to transfer large videos from iPhone through iCloud. Go to Settings, your name iCloud Photos, and enable iCloud Photos. To access videos, sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone, or visit iCloud.com on Android or computer. Method 3. How to send large videos from iPhone using Mail app. Open Mail, create a new email, tap Share, select Email, attach the video, and tap Send. Method 4. How to send large video files on iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Transfer large videos from iPhone to computer with Mobican Assistant for iOS, allowing unlimited file sizes and easy data management. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB and trust the device if prompted. Step 2. Once detected, click Videos for movies and TV shows, or Photos albums for recorded videos. Step 3. Hit Export to transfer the selected videos. Then check the destination folder once the process is complete. Method 5. How to send long videos on iPhone using Google Drive. Install Google Drive on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon, select Upload, and choose the video. After uploading, click the file, tap Get Link, and copy the URL. Paste the link in a Gmail and send the email. Method 6. How to transfer large videos from iPhone through iTunes. Install and open iTunes, then connect your iPhone via USB. Click the iPhone icon, select File Sharing, choose the app with the videos, and click Save to export the files. Method 7. How to send large videos from iPhone by compressing the videos. Open Photos, select the video, tap Edit, then Export, and choose Optimize to compress. Alternatively, use third-party apps like Video Compressor.